Alright, so this is a lint brush. If you start having problems with your dryer, you take your lint screen out and set it at the top or wherever. Take a lint brush, get your one somewhere, get down inside here and just brush your edges. Brush real vigorously up and down like that, and then slide it kind of back and forth to get all the grooves that are actually down inside here. And what that does is it'll grab the lint from down inside there and break it up to the point where it drops down to where when you shut this, it'll start blowing out. But this is a good tool to clean this out, and take your lint screen and actually wash it as well so that it stays clean. That way you know all the air is getting out properly from the dryer itself.